Guys, I'm going to show you how to grill some wonderful asparagus on my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm going to show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. Everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, hey, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, the bell next to it. Make sure you click that bell next to it. I've been noticing that my subscribers aren't getting my alerts because they're not clicking on that bell. All right, so make sure you hit that bell. That way you get the alerts on all the good stuff we're doing here. All right. So what we're gonna do here today is just some simple asparagus. I'm gonna show you how to prep it. Just gonna use a little canola oil on them. Just get them in the grill. That's it. 10 minutes later, we'll have some good grilled asparagus. Now, I'm just keeping this simple. A little salt, a little pepper, a little olive oil, but cooking it with a little spray of canola oil. I'm not gonna dress it with olive oil until the end, okay? Until it's already cooked. So make sure you're using that high heat oil in there, okay? High smoke point oil. It's very important. All right, I'm gonna get you over here on the counter here and we'll start grilling up these asparagus. We get this asparagus ready to go. First thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna turn on our foodie and get it preheating. Okay, with vegetables, we're gonna do the max grill temp. So you're hitting this grill button over here, it goes to 510 degrees and just hit start. All right, it's going to take about 8 minutes to get up to temperature, to get preheated up in there. So just gotta wait for it. No big deal. All right. So I know a lot of people, what they like to do with their asparagus, they'll just bend it till it breaks and then kind of cut off of that. That's kind of what I do. I leave the rubber band on in the back, get a nice just slice all the way through. So this is what we're going to be eating. This is going in the trash. I mean, no one wants to eat that part. Until this gets done preheating, I'm going to leave them in that rubber band. Once we get, once we get this ready to get in the foodie, we'll obviously take the rubber band off, spread them out on the grill plate, and we'll spray them down with this canola oil cooking spray and be ready to go. I got some olive oil, some kosher salt, some fresh cracked black pepper that we're gonna just dress it with when we're done. This is about as easy as it gets, boys and girls. All right, come on back when this thing is preheated. Okay, we've been preheating for about 8 minutes. This bad boy is hot. You can feel the heat, baby, feel the heat. All right, we're just gonna take our asparagus. First thing we're gonna do is spray down the grate a little bit, just a little bit. And we're just gonna let these fall. Yeah, buddy. I know you're hearing that sizzle. All right, guys, don't be like me. Don't use your fingers to move these around in there. I'm a professional amateur, as my friend Hobo Nickel used to say. So I'm all good with that. All right, we're gonna spray the top of these a little bit more. All right, we're gonna shut it down now. Okay, we're about halfway in. Let's take a look at them. Get these all turned over. Starting to get some nice little grill marks in there. It is screaming hot in this thing. You can see some of the moisture's come out of the asparagus a bit. Sure, everybody's moved around. Okay, another 5 minutes. Okay, we're done. 10 minutes is up. Let's take a look. Got a nice little char in there. Let's see if we can't get you a close up. Alright, oh, there you go. Charred up real nice. I think these are about done to my taste. You could definitely do it the way you like, but I think the 10 minutes works for me. It's pretty good. All right, let's get them on this board, dress them up a little bit, and talk about it. Okay, let's get them on this board. You know I gotta make them fancy for the thumbnail. I don't know how exactly I'm gonna make them fancy, but you'll see as I do it. We'll figure this out together, boys and girls. Okay, I think that's about it. All I want to do with this. All right, now I'm just gonna drizzle a little olive oil on there. Just ever so drizzly. It's good to be. Of course, we gotta get some kosher salt. Okay, little fresh cracked black. I'm a big fan of cracked black pepper, but so I use a lot. But if you don't dig it, no big deal. Let's try one of these bad boys. We'll get the one on the end. All right, looks pretty good. Pretty hot. Not bad. Grilled up real nice. The salt and pepper do good things with it. I dig it. All right, guys. Set up. Let's go talk about it. All right, guys. That's it. Hey, simple as can be, right? Nice charred grilled asparagus. There isn't much better a vegetable out there with some simple salt and pepper. I'm telling you, it's easy to do, and you're gonna love it. Okay. All right. So let's get to our housekeeping items. We gotta do it every video. It's your favorite, my favorite too. If you guys want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodies, click the link below, hit show more, click the link below, and you'll be able to get to my Amazon store. It doesn't cost you anything extra to shop through there, but the channel gets a little bit out of it. All right. We have Cooking with CJ merch. Hit my Teespring links down below. Get CJ's Crew shirts. You know, those looking good. Lastly, we got a Patreon, so if you want to become one of CJ's Crew for real, click that link right here, and you become part of CJ's Crew. It's just a monthly subscription service. You get a couple perks. You'll see that on the credits at the end. I always, you know, give a shout out to those people on the way out. Just every little bit helps the channel, keeps the production value up. You know what I'm saying? All right. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.